In service. The term in service is commonly used in the context of professional development or training. It refers to activities or programs that are designed to improve the skills, knowledge, and effectiveness of individuals who are already working in a specific field or profession. In-service training can take various forms, such as workshops, seminars, conferences, or courses. It is typically provided by employers or professional organizations to help employees stay up to date with industry trends, enhance their job performance, or acquire new skills relevant to their work. Here are a few examples of how the term in service is used in different contexts. 1. In-service teacher training. Schools often organize in-service training programs for their teachers to enhance their teaching techniques, learn about new educational approaches, or become familiar with innovative teaching tools. For instance, a school might offer an in-service workshop on incorporating technology in the classroom. 2. In-service healthcare training. Hospitals and medical institutions frequently conduct in-service training sessions for their staff to keep them updated on the latest medical practices, protocols, or advancements in their respective fields. This could include sessions on new treatment methods, patient safety, or medical equipment usage. 3. In-service police training. Law enforcement agencies regularly provide in-service training for their officers to improve their skills, knowledge, and understanding of legal procedures. This might involve training sessions on de-escalation techniques, conflict resolution, or updates on new laws and regulations. 4. In-service professional development. Many industries offer in-service professional development opportunities to help employees enhance their skills and knowledge within their specific field. This could include training programs on project management, leadership skills, or effective communication. Overall, in-service refers to training or development activities that are specifically designed for individuals who are already working in a particular profession. These programs aim to improve their skills, knowledge, and effectiveness in their current roles, and enable them to stay updated with the latest developments and best practices in their field.